During the design phase, ang architect usually nagpe-present ng rough concept based sa likes, style at needs ng owner. This design goes through several revisions until maging acceptable siya as working drawings and ready. Na for permit, from experience, maraming owners ang naiintindihan lang ay yung itsura ng bahay at konting layout. Yung mga details like wall thickness, structural alignment, drainage, at construction clearances, madalas hindi naintindihan. I've seen real projects where owners approved the plans kasi okay naman tingnan, kahit hindi nila alam kung paano talaga itatayo ang bahay. Here's an uncomfortable truth na bihirang sabihin ng architects. Most clients don't fully understand the drawings. At hindi rin palaging pinipilit ng architect na ipaintindi lahat. May project akong nakita where the owner thought a wall line was optional, only to find out during construction na load-bearing wall pala iyon. Resulta, may pagbabakbak, sayang ang materials, at na-delay ang project. The architect assumed the owner understood, habang ang owner naman ay nagtiwala lang. Doon nagsisimula ang problema. Isang short story from an actual project. During construction, may details sa plano na hindi malinaw. Hindi makontak ang architect for several days. Dahil sa pressure sa schedule, nag-decide ang contractor na mag-improvise. Sinunod iyon ng ibang trabahador at biglang hindi natugma ang actual construction sa approved plans. Pagdating ng architect, ang tanong ay, bakit ganito na? By that time, correcting the work meant additional cost, na si owner ang nagbayad. Masakit, pero madalas itong nangyayari. Kaya bago pumirma ng contract with an architect for design and working drawings, kailangan magtanong ng hindi komportabling tanong. Kasama ba ang after-design services? Ano ang process kapag may change orders during construction? Gaano ka-available ang architect once nagsimula na ang building? Ano ang responsibilities niya on site? Maraming owners ang nag-a-assume na kasama na lahat, pero the truth is, madalas hindi. Kapag wala ito sa kontrata, huwag magtaka kung ikaw ang mapipilitang magdesisyon. Mag-isa habang ongoing ang construction, kung kailan pinakamahal at pinakamahirap ayusin ang pagkakamali.